Science Camp is where students from all across the district, from kindergarten all the way through 5th grade, they come and they spend a week learning about the ecosystems all around the world.
So the students get to explore an immersive experience into each of the different biomes. They get to do different activities. A lot of the rooms are decorated so they can feel the ecosystem, how it would look, how it would sound. And so they're just getting to do different experiments and learning with more hands-on than they may get during a regular school year.
Science camp is a lot of fun.
I really like it because of how colorful it is and all the fun stuff about biomes we get to do.
So each day the kids get to go to 2 different experiments. In that experiment, they learn about one biome per experiment, and they get to do hands-on lessons, activities, games, puzzles, all the things that help them learn about the plants, animals, and climates of that biome.
Some of them are making dioramas. Some of them are racing to see how fast they are compared to a cheetah and other jungle animals. There are some that are making sculptures with clay. So it all just ranges. Each teacher, when they get their experiment or their room that they're going to do, their biome, then they get to really be creative and think of different things for the students.
I really liked the experiment where we did artwork about like a sunset and black paint.
A biome is like parts of the ecosystem. I love the desert biome.
So I hope that students, first of all, get the joy of learning about science and the biomes. I hope that they learn something new. I hope that they get an experience that they can take with them, that they can share with their family and their friends, just some knowledge about different places, the different biomes across the world.
Most of all, I hope that they are coming each day excited about new experiments. They had the opportunity to be able to make new friendships across the district. I hope they walk away with the joy of learning and just remember that Science Camp was the best one.